Hello, this is Chad Thomason. I'm coming from the Thomason Crew. Let's go. Well, today we're going to be demonstrating the classic Yard Maris chaps. And here they are. Let's check them out. They come in a nice case. Right off the bat, they feel heavy and like really dense, durable material. They don't feel cheap and lightweight. Yeah, so here we go, the chaps. You got your front and your back and all the straps. Try them on. You flip them together, twist them around, grab your buckles. Just like that, you got your chaps on. You don't have to get naked in the field or anything. You can slap them on over your pants or your shorts, whatever you're wearing. There you go. They protect the fronts of your legs. And there's what the backs look like. You got a little pocket here. And then you have a pocket on the side. And this pocket on the side is cool because look, who cuts wood? You know when you have pockets what happens. They fill up with sawdust, so I'm guessing that's where you're draining your sawdust out of your pocket. You're good to go. Oh yeah. The classic Yard Maris chaps. Go get them now. Here's some other things you get from Yard Maris. They have vests, and they have boots, and they have a chart that shows you where you most generally hurt yourself. They have helmets, gloves, utility belts, chainsaw covers, full pants, more of the chaps. They have the jackets and the helmets with the ear protection and face shields. Some pretty cool gloves. I'd really like to get some of them boots. Check that out. The soft case for your chainsaws. I'm guessing these are cases for your chains or something. And they have the utility vest and maybe a tool pouch. Go check them out at Yard Maris. Oh yeah. Here we go. We got the Echo versus the Yard Maris chainsaw chaps. Let's see if we can get her fired up. There you have it. It snagged right in there and stopped. Just like that. Let's check out the damage. The Yard Maris chainsaw chaps. Let's check out the damage. There's what it did to the chaps. There's what it did to my saw. Not good. Let's check out the damage to the leg. Unsnap the buckles. So the leg looks fine. Here's the inside of the chaps. They look fine too. I call that a win against any homeowner's saw. The Echo 310. Didn't win, chaps won, baby. Let's go.